to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to use Google Maps offline, so let's start. I'm here on Google Maps, as you can see. Now let's go to our icon in the right corner. Just click here and then just click to offline maps, the option that it says here. Just click there and then you can select your own map or your local. So in this case only to click whatever you want. If you want to local map, just click on download and then just click on download. In this case, you will download your local map without any problem. If you want to download a select map, you can do it, whatever you want. You can move whatever area you want and then just click on download. In this way, you will use it without any problem, or even if you don't have Wi-Fi. Even if you don't have Wi-Fi. So that is the way to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.